10 benefits of golden turmeric milk and how to make it. In today's video, we're going to discuss the benefits of golden turmeric milk, also known as turmeric latte, and how to make it at home. This golden drink is an ancient remedy that has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. Let's check it out. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, helps to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and eczema. 2. Boosts immune system. Turmeric milk is rich in antioxidants that help to boost the immune system and fight off infections. 3. Aids digestion. The compounds in turmeric can help to stimulate digestion and reduce bloating and gas. 4. Promotes heart health. Turmeric milk may help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Relieves cold and cough. Turmeric milk is a popular home remedy for treating cold and cough. It can help to soothe the throat and reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. 6. Improves brain function. Curcumin has been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. Turmeric milk contains compounds that can help to reduce stress and anxiety and promote relaxation. 8. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants in turmeric milk can help to reduce oxidative stress and promote healthy, glowing skin. 9. Helps with weight loss. Turmeric milk can help to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. 10. Promotes better sleep. Turmeric milk contains compounds that can help to promote better sleep and alleviate insomnia. So, now that you know the health benefits, let's look at how to make this golden turmeric milk. The ingredients you need are 1 cup of milk. You can use dairy or plant-based milk. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Although this is optional, half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. The instructions: heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Add the turmeric powder and whisk until fully combined. Add honey or maple syrup to taste. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. Simmer for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally. Pour the turmeric milk into a cup and enjoy. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you learned something new about the benefits of golden turmeric milk and how to make it at home. If you have any other natural health remedies that you would like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.